got damage. Got cars off.
We're getting scared. More damage.
Yep. Yeah, there's a tree down in the middle of the highway. Another warning?
Probably it started to spin again. Oh my
Ah.
god, look at that last scan.
Holy
right in front
shit.
of us.
Oh my god, let's go.
Whoa.
God
It's
damn
about
it.
to go into PA.
I don't. Well,
Oh
shit.
my
We don't have
God,
gas.
look
God
at
damn it.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Mercer County, Pennsylvania, effective until 5:44 p.m. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a
Dude, we had something happen here.
southwestern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania.
Huh?
Another one now? Dude.
Oh
Dude,
my
there's some
God.
winds here. Holy shit. Dude.
Daylight time.
We might have just missed one.
Oh, motherfucker, dude.
Just
moving
Dude, look at all these trees.
Holy shit.
Source radar indicated
Oh my
rotation.
god.
In fact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Wow.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southwestern Mercer County, including the following locations.
Oh my god.
Whoa, dude, car spun out.
And Wheatland.
Yeah,
This
dude.
includes Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania.
Dude, it might have went right through.
And 70. Please report severe weather by calling 412-6.
We got sirens.
Look, that gets going the wrong way on the highway.
Yeah.
Oh, they probably have to.
Or using Twitter.
Oh, because the dude's fucked up. Yeah, his car's fucked up.
Preparedness actions